Hello, welcome to hands-on-sap.com. This is Hassan Mir. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about SAP Client. So we already have talked about SAP environments or installations. So usually you're going to see three different installations of SAP in a company: development box, test and QA box, and production box. Okay. Now, what is a client? You can create multiple clients in an SAP installation. So for example, if this is development environment, it could have three clients: client 1, 2, and 3, or client 100, 101, 102. So this is just the client numbers. Now, a client represents an organization or a company. Okay, so the main thing here is all business data is protected at the client level. So what does that mean? That means that user connected to client 100 cannot see client 101's data, and similarly users connected to clients 101 cannot see any other client's data. So data is protected. This is like hard boundaries. So sometimes the term instance is also used for the client. So, or for example, I can say, which instance are you connected to, client 100 or client 101? And sometimes the term instance is used for the box itself. Okay, for example, I can say I'm connected, can I have an access for development instance? So the instance term can be used for both the client as well as for the environment. So the context would tell what exactly the instance means. And okay, so there are some kind of terms which have dual meaning, so you have to just pick up the meaning from the context. So the purpose of this tutorial was to give you the concept of the client. So in the next tutorial, I'll be talking more about the client and the environment. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this tutorial, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.